What's up, guys? It's your boy Face Predator here, and we're doing kind of a different video today. I've been having some people ask me to do a lesson of smoke on the water. It's an easy lesson, just thought I'd show you guys. I'm going to teach you both the top string and the power chords. So here we go. So it's for the top string, it's 035, 0365, 03530. Now one more time, 035, 0365, 035, 30. Now all together it's now I'm going to teach you the power chord one. Now it's the same thing, except it's on the two middle strings. So it's this one and this one. So you're going to take those two middle strings. So it's D, E, A, D, G, B, E are the strings. So it's E, A, D, D, and G string. These three here. So like I said before, 035, 0365, 035, 30. Now all together. I'm going to do it slowly for you guys for both the top string and the power chords. Alright, thanks guys for watching. Hope you learned Smoke on the Water pretty well. I'm thinking on teaching Enter Sandman and a couple others that you want to learn, so just comment down below what you want to learn, and I'll make a video of it. Peace, guys.